Well, our sawdust arrived. This is what 13,600 kgs of sawdust looks like, which is about 30,000 pounds, I believe. Came on a dump truck and a pup trailer. So we got the scoop on the front of the case. We just modified it so that the scoop fits on the manure forks. Alright, here's the first scoop. That tractor is pretty nimble. I don't know if it'd be any better with a skid steer or not. It's pretty sharp turn to get around. I guess the skid steer is a bit better. Maybe something new, like small or whatever, but we use what we got. Case works alright. The heifers aren't really big fans of the tractor coming in here, but I'll get used to it, I guess. It's only twice a year, or thereabouts. Well, I've been here working at my case for the last little while. That belt that I found seems to be too short. It looked like it was going to be long enough, but for whatever reason, it's not going to work. I've even taken that starter generator thing right off, but yeah, it's not going to work. So I'll have to check the belt numbers and see if I can order the right one, and go from there. That's about it for progress on that. I was working on taking these tires off. It's the 18, 8.5, 8 V61s that were on those 4-bolt style rims with the tapered roller bearings. I might have mentioned that in an earlier video. But it's 8-inch wheel, so what I'm going to do is put them on, well, I'm going to try to put them on these rims. We'll see what they look like. These rims are 6.5 inch, or the tires are 6.5 inch. I don't know what the rim is, but I just want to see what they look like. If they look like crap, then I'll put the other ones back on, or maybe order some different ones. If worst comes to worst, I can always pull a tire off of this tractor or one of the other tractors to run on this one for blowing snow. It's not the end of the world anyway, but yeah. There's a bit of a rake to it with the big tires in the back, so I kind of want to even it out a little bit. So that's what I've been up to. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook as well. The links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.